After so many years and a lot of complaints, Samsung is finally doing what we all wanted from our flagship S-series devices. Yes, it is finally coming with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. But it is not a normal version of Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but a special edition Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 only for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. You can call it Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Pro or Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Plus. Samsung even confirmed this news on their own Twitter account, saying, "Prepare to play on a whole new level." Yes, now this combo can take on another level of flagship device. So we get the benchmarks of Galaxy S23 Ultra using Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and it actually shows the clock speed which is more than the base model. The single core score is 1504 and 4580 multi-core score running Android 13. The main core Cortex X3 is clocked at 3.36 GHz, while the base model was clocked at 3.19 GHz. It is not confirmed how well it will perform, but it will surely make a difference. Other 7 cores are exactly the same. This could be a great news for European people since they are finally getting a Snapdragon-based Galaxy S-series device. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and don't forget to give this video a like. Things didn't stop here. If you guys are worried about the battery of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should be happy to hear that new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 came with a 40% CPU power efficiency and 45% GPU power efficiency, which makes this processor a way power efficient than last generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. And guess what? With the new light mode feature on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, it will make even a big difference in the battery backup of S23 Ultra. Although S23 Ultra will come with the same 5000 mAh battery, but it can surely last much longer than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The new partnership between Samsung and Qualcomm will also bring a good news for a 200 megapixel camera of Galaxy S23 Ultra. As per Qualcomm claims, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is fully optimized for Samsung ISO HP3 200 megapixel sensor and capable of recording 8K HDR video at 30 FPS and 4K video at 120 FPS. Although we all know Samsung will launch a new ISO HP2 sensor for S23 Ultra, so it's surely capable with that. As per Qualcomm claims, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will bring zero shutter lag, which is a great news for Samsung user since it was always lacking the smoothness in camera. Although with the new camera improvements, we also get an amazing LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 in upcoming Galaxy device, with addition to Wi-Fi 7 and new 5G modem, bringing some of the biggest numbers from last year, since as per Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, we will get 35% faster CPU and 25% faster GPU, so a great combo of power efficiency and performances here with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Samsung is planning to unveil Galaxy S23 Ultra in the first week of Feb, and phones will hit the market on 17th of Feb with the great pre-order deals. If you want to see the price and the pre-order deals, then you guys should check this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.